I got some sheet metal up. Alright. Show you what I've done here. We got that done on this side. Well, it's just up. It's not done. And then we got this on this side. There's going to be one window in there. Two windows in that back spot. I'll go inside. Alright, I'm going to have two of the bus windows here because I'm going to put a bench here. It's going to have a wall that comes out to about here, where about my foot is. That'll be where Wanda sits so she can, look out the window. I'm going to have one window here so I can, look over my left shoulder. Okay? And then the rest of this is 20 gauge sheet metal. I actually had to go buy one 55-inch piece because they came up short. You can see where they overlap. Alright. And if you look, they all come up to that last row of rivets. See the last row of rivets? And then they go up under. Get out of here. There you go. This is the rub rail. Okay, right here. The sheet metal goes up under the rub rail. I'll show you that outside in a minute. These are all the trim pieces that go here. Now I don't know if I'm going to try and straighten these or find something else, but I want to put those back up or something back up. These are not riveted up yet for that simple reason. Then all the way to here, from that back wall to here, it's going to be a king size bed. And it'll come up to here. Okay? I've already got the bed bought. It's in the building. And I'm going to have two windows there. I'm going to tint them. Just like the other, well, I'll show you the other windows I tinted. I tinted that window, and the two windows in the back door. And then I'm going to have two windows there. They're going to be tinted. And then when I put them back in, I'll put so much freaking, sealant on them that they won't leak. But anyways, a lot of people wonder how you get the pattern for this to make your walls and do your stuff. Well, when you take this down to patch your holes, there's your pattern. That's the shape of the entire roof of the bus. Get you a big piece of cardboard, lay it down, or do it in two halves, whatever you want to do. Cut it out, save it, and then when you go to make your cabinets and do whatever you want to do, there's your and I've got the metal for this bought, just like the air conditioner up front. I went and bought this metal while I was at it. Look at all them M&Ms, them damn rivets. This piece fell. I'll put it back up. That's the piece that goes. This piece here is the ledge for the old window. All right. But we've got the, the really hard stuff done. Okay. See, the sheet metal goes up under this. Poke a hole, pop a rivet, poke a hole, pop a rivet. That way no water gets back in the bus, because this is on the outside of the bus. It's actually on the outside of this, under this. Okay? And it's actually on the outside, well, it'll be actually on the underside of that, but those rivets will all be sealed back up. There's 510 rivets on each side. Okay. This is epoxy paint, by the way. That's what all this white stuff is all over the place. I wanted to make sure this was epoxy covered because it was just bare steel. And those strips go at each one of these spots. And I wanted to do them from this white line. Yeah, I got to get out of the sun. From that white line to here is going to be black. Where's my finger? There it is. My screen is in bad shape. That's going to be black. But I want to paint these blue, the color of the bus, to accent them. And then also to make it look like these are windows. So if you wanted to, you could, you know, find somebody selling decals the size of windows that look like windows, you know, with curtains and plants. I don't know. I'm overthinking. I don't know. Okay. So, we got these two windows here. I've already got them tinted. I've got to pound the dents out of those. I've got to hunt down my corner windows and the two windows in the bus door. There's my sheet metal for the, if I have to put another air conditioner in or a ceiling fan. There's my bed frame. There's my bed. That is an 8-inch thick memory foam mattress. One of these, two of these windows are specific corner windows only. So I'll have to hunt those down. But I have the other windows tinted up by the house, and I'll show them to you. But other than that, we're moving along pretty quick. My wife's been helping me. Thought I had a dead battery, which is one of these monsters. 1700 cranking amps. Wasn't a battery, it was a terminal. There's my flooring under that plastic. Keep it dry. My new chainsaw. My filters. Alright. Let me go show you my tinted windows. There's my tinted windows. There's Wanda leaving. I just got them sitting out here in the sun getting the bubbles out of them. That's the bottom door, top door, two sides.